Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I'm going to use ChatGPT to significantly reduce my workload. What I want to do essentially here is to write and number the provinces of Poland, ranking from highest to lowest by its population. I'm going to do so by going over to ChatGPT. I've entered this prompt, and if you want to, you can go ahead and take a look at it. And I've entered this manually because the problem is I didn't want this Poland states to be mixed with English and Polish names, so I just took the names from the layer styles here that was offered in the GeoLayers 3 panels and system, and I manually entered each province to easily match the populations of each state or province. Okay, now I'm going to come up with another prompt and basically give each province a number based on its population. You're going to see what I mean by that soon. So I came up with this prompt to number out the provinces. So now I'm going to go over and copy this to the After Effects project. So now what I basically need to do is give each province a number inside the map itself so you can understand where each country is placed and which country has the most and which country has the least population. Now what I'm basically going to do is go ahead to Google and try to search a map of Poland with its provinces stated. And I'm going to do a side-by-side with the Adobe After Effects so I can easily enter this and see it where each province is located. So I'm going to start adding it manually. So here I finally finished to add the numbers on the map. And what I want to do is also add a title here. What I also want to do is give the provinces with higher populations a darker color. And I'm going to do so by going to the shape layers. And let's say I want Masovin. Take this. And I can add a fill. Right. Masovin. I'm going to add a different color to this. I don't know, like a light blue, and give it like a different opacity. This I'm supposed to give like a pretty high one since it's the first one on the list. So just play around with it, like, you know, once it's finished moving. Add, like I want to turn on the, make this actually 0 here, right? Till it stops moving, which is around here. As I can see with the keyframe, turn this to 0, add another keyframe. Right, 0 to 0, and then here start turning it up a bit. Right when it stops moving. As you can see here, there isn't a filled out color of the province, and here it starts to turn back up. And basically I'm going to do the same thing for the high numbers here. And I'm going to show you how it is in later on. So I just finished the map animation, just added some a little bit. So I just finished this map animation and this is how it looks. I mean, I just tweaked up a little bit of the text and the colors, and I mean, pretty simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to subscribe, check out the description. And if you want to have GeoLayers or maybe even try it for a couple of weeks, I made a video about how to download the free trial. So go ahead and check it out. And I'll see you guys in the next video.